Good morning, everybody. This is Kim Danke, representing the Shibboleth lifestyle here in Kennesaw, Georgia, coming to you from my kitchen this morning. This morning, I am making the sausage pancake muffins. Now, if you're making this for more than one person, you would need to multiply this recipe by how many ever servings you're trying to make. This particular recipe is just for one. So the first thing that I need to do is I need to take one package of this Advanced Health Systems pancake mix and mix it with a 1/4 cup of water. So this is what the pancake mix looks like. I actually do this quite a bit for quick and easy breakfasts during the week or breakfast for dinner sometimes. So I'm just pouring that out in there. The next thing you do is you mix a 1/4 cup of water in here. I'm gonna go ahead and mix that. And this little thing came, y'all, I am a Pampered Chef rep. I don't promote it a lot, but you get all of these things. You get every measuring amount that you would want with this little set. And I love this little cute small one. Okay, so I've mixed that mixture, the pancake packet with the water. So I'm just gonna mix that up. On the package of the pancakes, it says to let this sit for a minute. So I always let it do that. It kind of makes it nice and airy. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my timer for a minute, let it do that, and show you the other things that it requires. So I'm using these Jimmy Dean turkey sausage crumbles, and I already have 1/2 cup in this little prep bowl, again, Pampered Chef prep bowl. And I'm actually gonna make 6. They're just gonna be a little bit smaller and flatter, and that's okay, I don't mind. But the reason I'm making 6 is because I don't want two little holes to not have something in it while I'm cooking it. I don't know. I'm trying new things when cooking. So we're gonna wait for that. And I've used 0-calorie cooking spray just to make sure that stuff doesn't stick in there. When I have some syrup with it, I bought some new syrup, Mrs. Buttersworth, sugar-free. I also have Log Cabin sugar-free in the pantry. And then while I'm waiting for that minute to go off, I'm having myself a Celsius this morning too. Damn. Who's on here with me this morning? Good morning, Jennifer. Hey, Deborah, good morning. Yes, Billy, it's going to be good, good, good. Okay, so I've let that sit for a minute per the instructions on the package. Just mixing that little turkey crumble sausage in. See, when I did that, it let all that air go out, so I'm not sure that was a necessary part of this recipe. And I am even already rethinking pouring this into 6 because there's just not a lot there. So we'll see, So I'm just gonna use this other little Pampered Chef tool to try to put them in here. I've got the oven preheating to 375. Yeah, I'm just gonna make 4. So my other thinking wasn't accurate. Because at the temperature you have to cook them, I think it would burn them if they were too small. So not going to do that. It won't really matter. Okay. All right. And so I'm supposed to cook these for 12 to 15 minutes. If it ever gives a range, I always just split that right in half. So I'm going to cook them for 13 minutes in 13 and a half minutes. I'm going to put those in the oven, set my timer, and there we go. And then I will let y'all know with a picture and a comment how they taste this morning. Hey Betty, let's see, the Jimmy Dean crumbles, lately I used to get them all the time. So the Jimmy Dean crumbles, when did I try to buy those? I tried to buy them a few weeks ago and they were out, but then I went this weekend and they were all back in. So I think it's hit or miss depending on what's going on. Let's see. Deborah, could we do this with Carb Quick? So what I would do, Deborah, is go into the food library, search for Carb Quick, then click on, just scroll down. You'll see all the recipes that are listed out with Carb Quick, and search out for that. Or actually, as I'm saying that, I think the easier way would be to go into those Jimmy Dean turkey crumbles, then see if there's one. Because there's like sausage balls and there's other muffins that can be made with that. I just don't know the exact recipe. You just want to follow that recipe. But yes, there are definitely recipes that can be done that way with Carb Quick. So if you've got some Carb Quick in your house and these little turkey crumbles, look those things up and find that. Yes, awesome. Awesome. All right, well, I'm going to hop off, but I will take a finished picture of my muffins in 13 minutes.